From the Waikiki Trade Center at the Shack Waikiki, KH12 and Corona present Cool Corona Concerts, showcasing some of Hawaii's well-known and up-and-coming artists. Tonight's island performer, Saltwater Heelers. And now here's your host, KH12's very own Olena Hugh.
Aloha and welcome to Cool Corona Concerts. Tonight we welcome a band out of Ewa Beach and Kapolei with a diverse style of feel-good music you're sure to enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Saltwater Heelers.
Hey, babe, where you gonna be today? And I don't know you, but I gotta know your name. There ain't no sunshine on this cloudy day. And you know, baby, la-da-da-da, I think it's gonna rain. When I'm with you, now the sunshine starts to fade, yeah. And when I leave, you turn to me and say, I need company for the rain. So why don't you stay? Don't leave me today, yeah. So why don't you stay? Hey, babe, where you been all this time? Girl, I just met you, but I gotta make you mine. Then I need to know what you know. Oh, baby, you know I don't work, la-da-da-da, but I won't let you get cold. When I will see another sunshine starts to fade, yeah. And when I leave, you turn to me and say, I need company for the rain. So why don't you stay? Don't leave me today, yeah. So why don't you stay? And don't leave me today. So why don't you stay? So why don't you stay? So I'm gonna stay. Yeah, thank you.
The first song we just did was called Company for the Rain, and it was written on the North Shore of Oahu, just hanging out with some friends and wishing they wouldn't leave. That's pretty much what it was about. It came pretty simple because, I don't know, the thoughts were already rolling, and I just took a quiet rainy afternoon and sat down in the living room.
Corona Extra and Corona Light reminds you to relax responsibly. Cool Corona Concerts is brought to you in part by Shack Waikiki and Shoot It Live, Inc.